next thing is to delete all my something here, all the detailing. Just delete them, all the detailing. Escape, just click it, right click, then delete it, click it, right click, delete it, click it, right click, then delete it. So click it, right click, then delete it, click it, right click, then delete it. Now that one has done. Now what I will do now is to edit this one. Just click it, then right click, go to the properties, then come here, change this one to 600. See how it will be. So this is how it is. So I want it to 112.5 to be here. So I will change this one. So that's 112.5 minus 600, so 487.5. This 487.5. Just come here, click update. So it has done in how I want it to be. Just click escape. So I will now put this slab. To put this slab again, what I will do is I will click this one. Once I click it and click properties, so that is I want to use this one, so I click here. So I have used the same thing for it as well. So I will close this one. So I will come to the story number 1 as well. So I'm in story number 2. So I will come to the story number 1 and do the same thing for it. Okay. I will come to the story number 1 and do the same thing and design this slab as well. So what will I do is I will click this, I will right click on top of it and come, I will click it and I right click and come to the properties. So I want to duplicate it, so I want it to design of this one. So I'll click it. It has designed 150 depth. It has designed like that. So let me remove the wall load in this one as well. So story number 1, so story number 2. So I want to remove the wall load of this beam. Just click it and right click, then come to delete beam wall load. Yes, I have deleted the beam wall load there. So the next thing to do is to redesign. So escape. The next thing to do is to redesign. So I will check the deflection of this slab. Just click it. So is our discontinuous here, but it is continuous here. What I will do, our discontinuous here, but it is continuous here. Now I will do is click this one, then click your control key, then I leave it here. So the depth, my depth is sufficient. So I want to design this horizontal axis as well. Just our continuous here, but it's discontinuous here. It's continuous here, but it's discontinuous here. So I want to design this axis as well. Just click it here and hold your control key, then leave it here. So the section is okay. So the next thing to do is to redesign my work. So generally, so just come to the run and come to the FE floor analysis. Click it once. So change it to the start from the top. So change it to the 3 story 3. So it has changed to the 3 here. Then it is in 0.25 as you've changed it already. So the next thing to do is click it floor mesh. So once you click it, FE axis for the floor mesh. Do you want to replace it? Yes, I want to redesign my work. I want to replace it. Yes. So all this one I change, they are all there. Just click this model. There. So that one has done. Come here and close it. So that's done. Now just match it. Click this one again and I change it to number 2. Yes, as you've changed it. So it's already there 0.25. The rest is 1. So just come here and click floor mesh. Yes, I want to replace it. So I'm redesigning my work. So it's here already, all 100 and 800. So generate, click it, allow it to load. Okay, so this one has done as well. Just close it here, allow it to load. Then switch to the number 1 again, number 1. So this is the last one. So it's already there. Just floor mesh, just click it. Yes, I want to redesign everything. So it's already 100. Just generate model. So the model has now generated. Just come here and then close it. So it has done. So after you have done it like that, you just click this one, match again. Just come to the what, to here number 3 again. After you change it to the number 3, click this batch FA chase down. So this is your something. Just close it, just check it then. So then close again. Okay, so the next thing to do is to come to the run again and click your building analysis. I want to analyze my work. Then come here and click analysis. So I will analyze and design at the same time. Column 1 design, click this one, and then click reselect if you want to change the diameter of the bar. So click this one and click start. So it will analyze and design the work at the same time. So column reinforcement design, column reinforcement design is analyzing and designing at the same time. Alright, just wait it until it is finished. Just wait for it. Wait for it. It's loading. It's loading. Okay. Alright, it's loading. Okay, building analysis complete successfully. Then click OK. So it has done like that. Then come here and click close. So I want to check my analysis now. I want to check my work again. Just go to the run and then come to the column section. In my column section, so everything, they are all okay. So now the next thing is I want to check my beam. Beam section, story, beam. So these two beam again, so they are still yet insufficient, because right click, they are still yet insufficient, section insufficient. What will I do now is just to change it from that inner beam to the downstairs beam or stand beam. So I will just change it to the upstand beam. That is what I will do. So I will change it to the story number 1. Double click it here and change it to the story number 1. So then I will delete this slab. So before I do it, I will delete this slab. Yes, I know everything will change. So I want to change this beam. So I want to change this beam. Now I will just click this beam, then right click on top of it, then right click and come to the property. So I will change it so to the 225, to the 225. So that's what it wants to get. So for the, it is upstand beam now. So I will just use, let me use 600 for it, 600, and check how it will be. So the center would be 112.5, 112.5. Then come here and click update. So it has changed now. So it has changed now. Then just click escape. So I will just right click on top of this one to copy it onto this. So I will just click it, this one. So it has generated the slab for this one. I will just switch to this story number. I will just switch to the story number 2. Just come here and switch to the story number, double click it. So I will change this one as well. So this beam, I will change it. Just click it and right click, then property. Come here. So and change this one to 225. So 112.5. then change this one to the downstairs beam, to the constantly to the that is 6. Let me use 600 for it as well, and I click update and see how it will be. So I know I will redesign my work since I have changed it. So that is that. So that's how it will be. Then just close it, this one. So the next thing to do is I will delete all this one. So let me just, once you click this one, this one stands for this one. I want to delete it, so I have deleted that one. So this one as well. So I will just delete that one as well. So I will just design this slab. Just come here and I click here and I click control, no, change it, okay, escape. So I will change this one to continuous because it's continuous here. So you just click it and a control, press your control, then leave it, control Z, because this one is now. Come here, I will just do what, click slab strip, come here. So it is discontinuous here, but it is continuous here. So just click it and hold your shift key. Don't lift your shift key until you leave your mouse. Then for this direction as well, I will come here, is continuous here, so I will come here. So it's discontinuous here, so I will come here and I come here. It's discontinuous here, so click here, hold your control key, lift your mouse before you lift your control key. That is how it's done. So I will just reanalyze my work. So that is it. So the next thing is to reanalyze my work since I have changed anything in this drawing.